Casey of Garland Lakeview. 5A record.
Great start, Conference 5A boys. Zamora.
Fourth was Weston Jenkins of Medina. On the award stand.
In second place, the time of 13:96, senior Grant Finney of Allen.
Off the turn in lane 5, Vince Castile of Ghana. Vince Castile of Ghana. Fifth in the
Bronze medal, time of 22:74 to Emily Hilbish of River Road High School in Amarillo. And the silver medal, time of 21.